And we're going kayaking. So I woke up this morning to a text, do I want to go kayaking? Yeah, of course I do, but first things first, I've never been kayaking, and it's a little intimidating here because the water's cold. If I tip over, I might just freeze to death. I'm not really worried about drowning, but I'm gonna do it because how do you say no to something like that? I'm also excited because I just got a new toy. I got a Sony ZV1 Mark II, and I am going to be taking it out kayaking with me to see what it can do. The only problem is I haven't really had a chance to play with the controls and set anything up, so I'm just going to put it on automatic and see what I get.
Taste the scone. It's really good too.
I think Bad Boy wants some. The sun came out in Alaska in the winter. That is a special event. I really want to thank Lisa and Marlo for inviting me on this day's adventure. It's days like this that really make me enjoy my travel nursing adventure. Salud. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.